What's up guys, welcome to another video. So today is finally going to be the first day of the E30 project. Lewis is going to be helping me out, so thank you Lewis. And we're going to be pretty much gutting the inside of the car. This is pretty much how it came. A lot of the carpet is, well, I take that back. A lot of the carpet is torn up, but it's still in there. The headliner needs to be removed, and this little sunroof tray needs to be cut out. So hopefully within the next couple of days we can go ahead and get this entire interior gutted and get the roll cage in there. The camera would go over there. Get the roll cage in there. But for now, we kind of just have a lot of interior stuff to gut out. Yeah, the car has the door cards in here. I mean, these are going to be trash. I'm going to go ahead and I would like to do carbon fiber or some kind of paneling over that. Aluminum would work too. But yeah, mainly I think we're going to have to remove the dash in order to get the front part of the roll cage in here, and then definitely the back seat over here, and then in the trunk of the car we're going to gut this out too. It would open up. So we're going to remove all this carpet and then go and dry ice all of the sound deadening underneath. That's the immediate plan for right now, but for now we're just going to start gutting the interior. All of these parts are the parts that came factory in it, so I'm kind of undecided if I want to trash them or not. They look kind of used, but if anybody wants E30 parts, comment down below and I will get them out to you, because I was really going to throw these away. So if you want E30 parts, comment down below, just pay for the shipping and I can ship them out to you. Alright, so I removed the rear seat belts. It was only a 17 millimeter, so those are off on both sides. We're gonna pull this rear parcel shelf right here and figure out a way to get this brake glide out. It's seeming to give us some trouble. I don't know what it's held in by. So I threw this seatbelt on the ground, and I've never seen this happen before, but all of the insides from the seatbelt went on the outside. Need to get this front seat out. There's like a big rat's nest back here that's gross. I think, you know, there should only be like 2 bolts holding these in, maybe 4. It can't be that much.
The actual seats?
Yeah.
Yeah, 4 in each corner.
Alright, so we got most of the sunroof components off. We removed the tracks up here and there's like some silicone holding it in. Right now, what I'm doing is I'm removing these sunroof drain tubes. These just pull out and there's another one on that side. Yeah, these would suck to replace actually. Pretty much all I did is cut it. And then I'll go up and trim that other piece off later. So I'm just gonna take a quick break right now, and yeah, I'm just gonna take a break. I'm trying to get this dash off. I'm having trouble getting the dash off, so need to work on that. Most of the sound deadening, so I wouldn't even call it sound deadening, but it's like this weird glue, nasty stuff. Yeah, I'm in the process of taking that off. Most of the stuff is out of here though, and it freed up quite a bit of room. Let me show you what I've taken apart off the car so far. Let's see. So that's my save pile right there, and then here's all the stuff that is going in the trash. And some of these bags are pretty heavy. I imagine a lot of the weight is removed from the car. So that's gonna help out, plus whatever's in there. Yeah, it's coming slowly but surely. Got the taillights removed so we can go ahead and make room to spray, or I guess paint prep the trunk area. Alright guys, so I kind of didn't film for a while. It's the same day. But oh man, I'm gonna sit back here for a minute. If you can see, I got a lot of stuff off the car. I'm still trying to tackle that AC thing over there, but guys, I'm beat. I'm tired. I'm insanely tired. Got a lot done today. I'm really pleased with what went down today. I wish I would have got that little AC part off. That would have been the icing on the cake. But I think I'm gonna call it a night, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am going to get back on it tomorrow. I don't know when I'm going to get this edited. It's probably like 2 o'clock in the morning right now, I think. But alright guys, I'm out.